Here we are at the Jack Daniel's Barbecue Invitational Competition here, Lynchburg, Tennessee. I met my friend Jamie here, and we're going to go check out the competition here. Getting ready to walk downtown here and check out what's going on down here on the streets. There we go. I'll see if I can shake this camera around here. They got a thing though, I can make that to where it don't shake so much.
Oh yeah.
YouTube, when you put on YouTube?
Oh no, well they got a thing where you can just wear it, you know, it'll help make it stay.
Alright. Thank you. Here we are, down at the concession area. We got the Texas Rib Rangers over there. Jack's Old South right next to them. Some others here. There ain't too many people here yet, it's early. That'd be a pretty good crowd later, especially if the sun come out.
The radio sky.
I'm gonna see old Jack's, old Myron. Myron over there. Hey, this guy's scared right here. I think he's a little scared. He's worried. You worried, buddy? It's okay. It's alright.
Smelling too many brothers.
You're okay, buddy.
And the country dog contest.
Check out that barrel. Yeah. How you like that old stove?
Yeah, that's pretty cool right there.
How's it going today? Smells good over here. There gotta be somebody here that got some good Q.
Oh yeah.
You can buy.
Well, we bought some up there at the concession stand last time. One of the people down here was selling it. Remember?
Yeah.
Wasn't bad.
How you guys doing? How y'all doing?
How's it going today, fellas?
Good, how about yourself?
Pretty good. Trying to enjoy the day. It's a little cold out here, but
That's your pepper jelly right
Not
there.
too bad.
yeah. Where's that? It is, ain't it? Nice pitch. There's Harry Sue. Slap Your Daddy Barbecue. Hey Harry, how you doing today?
Hey, how are you?
Real good. Good to see you.
See you.
How's things going for you today?
So far so good. We'll see what happens.
Yeah. Well, I wish you best of luck.
Alright, thank you.
Harry Sue Barbecue.
You're welcome. We do. My ex-wife's from
What, the Netherlands?
Norway.
Did you send her back there?
I wish. I dealt with her yesterday. I don't have good taste in beer, so I don't know how to barbecue.
For my burger, say I'm still using that one you gave me last year. I did, I found it out. Last year, no, the year before last year. Y'all last year. Because I wasn't looking yet. Remember? Done school? Was it the year before? Maybe.
I'm sorry about that.
Całe mięso Stefana, ziemniaki mamy, wszystko mamy. Tutaj mam, tu magazyn jest główny, tu jest podręczny.
Tule siia minu juurde.
Mis siin sees on?
Seal on see kast.
Yep.
Probably.
That's
Maybe
not the
more.
beef part.
Probably more.
They're all inherently heavy. I can see y'all.
No, I don't need the sheet
Thank you.
I'm back. Okay.
Right, ceramic.
We also need Silky Sullivan back at table 9. Silky, please get back to table 9. The dishes are coming out, the home cooking from the homeland and the cook's choice.
Johnny Triggs' rig over there. Johnny Triggs.
Liv, I'm right here. Ow, we gotta cover up. We gonna get out in just a minute, okay? We gonna get out in just a minute. I know. We're going up there.
I remember. Oh, we were down here. We were down Franklin. We were early here down to the top. You know, but it was closed down. It's all out there. We took off. Pulled up here, so sit there all day, and then what? It's a big festival. Every quarter, there's a group of guys who get together and sit there. Once you got the main stage, and it's competition. Cool.
where they came from.
How big is
I'll make that connection.
We're wild and sweet, but sweet and true. I'm still real upset. Singing Rocky Top, you'll always be home sweet home, baby. Good old Rocky Top, Tennessee. Rocky Top, Tennessee, oh yeah.
Hey, back from the Jack Daniels Worldwide Championship Invitational Barbecue Competition down there in Lynchburg, Tennessee. Had a great time down there with friends. Friend Jamie and Pat had a good time there. Really look forward to going back there too. And got to meet some of the teams, some of the big teams too, and some of the worldwide teams. It was pretty neat because it's a worldwide competition there in Lynchburg. They have it every year. I went last year. It was a good time. But anyhow, third place went to True Bud Barbecue. That was third place. Reserve champion, Swinging Pig. And grand champion of the 2012 Jack Daniels Worldwide Competition went to Pigskin Barbecue. Congratulations to them and really all 87 teams that was there. You have to win a championship of some kind to be put in the pot, and then they draw out of that even. So it's a little bit of luck too to get in, but you have to win a championship or win some big contests to even get considered for that. And it was a great time. There was a lot of teams from Texas that I noticed. I got to talk to Brotherhood Barbecue. I met Billy Overton. Great guys there, and they did pretty good in brisket. And I met a few other teams there too, like I said, and it was all great talking to all of them. But anyhow, I hope you enjoyed the video. And maybe see you down there next year. It was a great time, and I hope you enjoyed Jack Daniels Barbecue Invitational Championship. I'll see y'all. Take care.